Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a team member or partner which are not director on Bokio accounting software. To add a new team member or partner, which is classed kind of an employee because they will be claiming expenses as part of their involvement in our business operations, then we need to go to staff and salary section, click on employees. To add a new employee, you need to click on three dots and click on new employee. Also, you can import your employees by clicking on this link and importing them on Bokio accounting software. So let's click new employee, add the details. So I have Peter White, add an email address, add bank details, so sort code and bank account number, and click save. So now Peter White has been added. We can archive this employee, but when we click, we can actually edit this employee. Also, we can archive or download data about this employee, which is staff member, team member or partner to your business. So in this episode I showed you how you can add a new employee, team member, staff member or a partner which are not director on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.